Dude. What's up, everybody? Ooh, it's chilly today. Today is one of those chilly days. Yesterday was nice and it was nice yesterday, but God, working on this car is always fun. I mean that in a good spiritual way. I think. Oh my God, it's chilly in here. Once I start moving around, I'll get a little warm. All right, so today I'm gonna say start from yesterday. Yesterday I started working on the back bumper. Well, first of all, I am so rude. I hope everybody's doing well out there. You know, encouraging words. Keep doing what you're doing. Don't let nothing stop you. Don't let nobody stop you. Don't get discouraged. That's where I'm at. No, I'm not. I'm lying. That's not what I'm at. I will not get discouraged on certain things in my lifetime. It happens. We know why it's perfect. We get it. But you gotta keep pressing on. That being said, hope everybody's doing well. As me, a little chilly because I'm inside this storage. Still working on the Civic. Yesterday, I started working on the back. It's called a lift kit. The lift kit accessories. It's like a little kit, and I ordered it, and so I did contact the company before I ordered it and asked them to do it. It works well with fiberglass bumpers, and I'm just having a little hard time with it. It's not with the kit, it's just with the fiberglass. It's not grabbing it, so I probably got to do some adjustments. Once I get that done, I'll be a happy person. But today, I think I'm gonna start working on the engine, start getting rid of parts that I can replace, which is wonderful because once I start replacing stuff, it'd be one less thing I have to worry about. And I figure that's what I'm gonna do today, just because when you work on a car, you work on things so much you forgot other parts of the car, and that's what I don't want to get stuck at. And get stuck on working on just the back bumper, and I got the front bumper. Pretty much the front bumper is lined up a little bit. I just gotta get stuff straightened out. I gotta figure out how to I think I figured out how to turn this car around because technically my car doesn't run. It runs, but the problem is it stalls. So between changing out the water pump and a sensor, all that good stuff, I think it will run better. I bought some parts a couple months ago, which I have gladly gonna put in today. And it's gonna be fun. This gonna be fun. I just came out of. I'm gonna be a little tired and fatigued a little bit because I go to kickboxing for maybe Tuesday, Fridays, Saturday, like 4 times a week. So today is my Sunday, fun day Sunday at kickboxing. So when you start doing other stuff, it kind of takes a little bit out you, but I do have other stuff besides just working on the car, which is really, 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 really wonderful to do. And this, like I think I said this more than one time, this car has to move. I'm gonna get it up and running, just because I had this car since early 2000, somewhere around there, and I took it to the shop. I already explained the story about it. The guy kind of messed me up on it, and still, I gotta still do the fix rubber, and that's where I'm at with this car. But that's going on. I will be getting this done. Just gotta get it done, and it's only me working on this car, and that's the fun part. When you start working on a car, and you work on one thing, and you're like, I'm tired. I try not to get fatigued of it because I'm pushing myself to get it done in a certain time and manner in my head. I don't like to say dates or a month because when you start saying that, then you be like, oh, I gotta do it. And what's gonna happen is you're gonna make a mistake somewhere, and you go, I forgot to put this in. I forgot to put that in. And I don't want to do that. And today, let me see if I can find it. Give me 1 second. It is cold today. I'm like a little. Where is my box? Where is my cutoff? And hopefully, everybody went out there to find sponsorship wherever you at. Is this the part I'm putting in today? I think I'm missing something. Oh, I am. I'm gonna say, oh, it's up here. Okay. That's why I try to tag my sponsorship and some stuff. And they've been pretty good in tagging me back. So, the part I am putting, oh, hopefully it says it up here, because I want to say the wrong damn thing. Oh. A vapor canister. Ah, got it. So, and this part is so hard to define because, see, I know I ordered this in January, which is fine. Ordered this vapor canister in January. Advanced. Oh, they're gonna. Cool. Only thing I'm missing is the other filter that go on top. So the vapor canister I'm gonna install today because, again, be one less thing. I'm throwing stuff around. I don't even care. Vapor canister I'm gonna install because it'd be one less thing I have to worry about. When I get to other things, hold on. I'm scrolling right now. Sorry, I even set to scroll. Ooh. Where is that? Okay, so yep, that's gonna happen. So we all know we start moving parts around. It's always fun, and I try to keep things original. I'm not boosting nothing. I'm not changing up the transmission or the engine. I'm not doing none of that stuff. I want the car as is, and if I want to change it out, I will do it down the line. Right now, no need. I just want to get it down nice and cream. I want ice and cream. When the nice and clean in there, because sometimes I have seen in the past, and it's, yeah, I would say in the past. I remember when Hot Import Nights came out, it was the biggest show. And I remember you popped the hood, you were like, yo, you dumped, like, I have old pictures I can show you. Like, I've seen people have dumped money into the engine. They swapped out the engine, they did this. Like, really before it really got big. I wish Hot Import Nights come back. I haven't seen it lately, but if it do, it need to come back up to the, like, north for the summertime. And I seen there, like, it amazed me about the car show was how much people they be creative of doing things to their car. And that's the way I am with mine. It's like, I want to be creative for my car, which I am. I just got to redo things over, which is fine. But it was so amazing, like, going to shows like that. I could think in my head of, like, when cars used to be fly, like, you wouldn't see you would see a Honda Civic or 18s. It was no such things as 17s, 16s. The highest was on a Honda was a 18 for a car show. And people was like, oh, you put on a 14? Look, well, the way they had it set, the way it was looking, suicide doors, all that good stuff. And I did have suicide doors in my car, and I took them off. About 3 years ago. Yeah, about 4 years ago. So it goes to show you, like, there's ways that you could do stuff. Now it's so different because now we have social media, and everybody's looking to change out the engine. And that was me. I was like, oh, I want to put a K20. Then I thought about it. Then I was like, got the money. But I have a D16 Y7 engine. And I was like, let me look it up. And let me tell you something. Some pictures and videos that people had in there, and I was like, what? You mean I can keep it clean and I keep a stock and I can add this to it and I can add that to it? It was the most beautiful thing. So I'm grateful that I don't have to go and like follow somebody else. If I want to change up the engine, yeah, I will down the line. But would I want to do it now? No. But that being so, my little spiel of fun of cars. Yeah, today will be one of those days that I will get it done, and we're gonna change this out. I don't know. On the Honda, it does come with the vape. Oh, hold on. Wait. Okay, only thing I'm missing is the top. Okay. Alright, so only thing I'm missing is another sensor that goes here. I don't know what you call it. That goes right on top. That's the only thing about it. I don't think I've ordered it. Ooh, crap. I don't think I have ordered it. If I did, I'll be a happy person. I don't think I have. Let's see, is this it? Is this it? No. That's not it. But yes, stuff I have to reorder, which is fine. Stuff I already have, I don't want to reorder it because you always end up with double stuff, which is always fun to have. It's good to have it, but dude, like I shouldn't spend extra money on stuff that I already have. Yeah, so that being, get this car up and running. I will keep you posted about the what is this called? The bumper lift kit. It's made by Mac lifted kit, and I gotta see how I'm gonna do the front because both my both my right side and driver's side fenders are fiberglass. Both my front and upper are fiberglass. So I gotta see how that works out into play and go from there. Because if this bumper, if it's supposed to be, if I have a gap like this, it's supposed to close like that. So we'll see how that goes along with getting the car wrapped. I gotta figure out how to tie this all stuff in. And it's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be fun doing this. And when I tell you the car looks, yeah, this is what the car looks like. Yeah, a little taste. I do have to order some more RXX headlights with the halo in there. I just gotta figure out the what is that called? The wiring. I can't think today. I'm telling you, kickboxing will takes a whole lot of you. I have to figure out the wiring, and because of that, it helps me down the line too. And do we have anything else? Oh, I think that was it. So, this journey is gonna be a fun journey to follow down this little lane. And it's gonna be wonderful. Sorry, scroll, because when I get distracted, I always say scroll. But I like to be nice about what my surroundings are. But the area I'm in, knock on wood, it's pretty safe. I don't have to really worry about it. But you got people that roll by, be nosy, just mind your business. This progress is gonna be really fun. Just gotta get, like I said, some stuff done to the engine a little bit. If I get that out the way, one thing at a time. I still have not touched the water pump. I still haven't. What's the water pump and a sensor? There's a sensor that goes to it, a crank sensor. Once I get those in, I think I will be fine. I just gotta get stuff like this. Like if I get this canister in there, fix it up out the way, and then I still gotta take it out because I gotta repaint the engine. This is never fun. It's never fun, but it is fun. It is gonna be a progress. This is gonna be fun progress today on Sunday Fun Day. Sunday Fun Day progress, and that's where we at. But on that note, thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing. Keep you posting on some other stuff. I shouldn't post it yesterday, but I was too busy getting this bumper done. And I'm not even joking. Yesterday was so funny because when I did the Mac lifted kit on the back bumper, by the time I got out of work, it was 2. By the time I got to my storage, it was after 3. And then by the time I got still fixing the bumper, I was like, yeah, it got cold. I was tired, and it was dark. So, that being said, that's why I like to have, like, during the day, morning time, and it's got lights out. But we will get this done, and it will be running, and I will be ready for get it done. Whew. But, meantime, thank you again for watching. Thank you again for pushing. I ain't even pushing myself to do vlogs again. I'm pushing, only do it twice a week, which is all right. Timing is everything, and you gotta make sure you have a schedule in your head. That's the best way I could say. So that's where I'm at. Like Saturday and Sunday, I would do my vlogs, and then Monday through Friday, I work. But sometimes it might reverse. Sometimes I might do a vlog on a Monday or Wednesday or whatever. But that's how I work in my head. Saturday and Sunday is always fun to do it because I have time. I don't have to worry about it. And this is going to be a wonderful day. But that being already said, I am so thinking right now. Sorry. It's been, we're going to get it done. It's going to get done. All right. Catch you on the next vlog. Have a great day.